Nas, look what they've done. You're gonna have to give me a discount now for this ladder. Look what they've done. I can't get it out now. Abbas done that. Abbas, have you done it? Yeah. Okay guys, now then, lovely day in Bradford and I'm busy removing plaster off my chimney stack. It's a shared chimney with my neighbour next door, and we both decided that due to water ingress we will get all the render removed and have it plastered again. So I'm busy removing this render all the way around, but I noticed one thing and I thought I'll share it with you guys because I'm a bit confused with this setup here. Not sure whether you can see it, but let's just focus. Now obviously we were always told that each chimney pot serves its own dedicated chimney and they don't share or they don't mix, and if when we carry out a flue flow test, if the smoke's coming out of two pots at the same time whilst we were only checking one chimney, then that chimney is classed as damaged and it should be either lined or sort it out. But have a look at this. Look, that wall that you see, this brick wall, that's the separation between next door and myself on this side. So just to get things right, that's how it runs. As you can see, we've got 8 chimney stacks on this side and 8 on my side. 7 now because one's up there. Yep. Okay, so there's that middle dividing wall, and to my understanding that's dividing the whole section, and then there are further divisions between each side. But what I've noticed is there is a gap at the top, as you can see. So that wall is not complete all the way to the top. So at this level all the stacks are shared. If you can see, same on this side, there's a massive hole under this stone that goes all the way through to there. Maybe able to see it, and that goes all the way through to there. So all of this is all one continuous void before it comes out of the pot. So basically any smoke that's coming up here, it can at this level be shared with all of them, which I don't think is right. I think it should have been all continuous all the way to the terminal, not having that void, sharing them all, combining them all at the top. It seems like since these chimneys were built originally, somebody's put all of these pots on, obviously, because they were used to be different. They were used to be clay pots back in days, and whoever's done it, they came along, they put these slabs, these stones on. They didn't care about separating them at this level and just rendered them. This is my thought anyway. I'm going to be exposing the lot and I'll share the rest with you because I think we're just going to be possibly bringing it down to that level before we re-render it. But I'll share all of that with you. But what are your thoughts on it? Am I right or am I wrong? Please do let me know. Okie dokie guys, so yes, we are going for it. My friend brother and I we are going to attempt it. So that's one of the snakes. So one pipe is through. Sitting on the look. Then this time that's a bit more tricky. Let's go down and have a look. Perfect. So nose cones definitely helped. So this pipe's down and we only have 3 more to go. But that's a success. Ignore all the mess, guys. It is what it is. Okay, brother. Okay. And this is what broke. The rest of them are fine. It's just this one. So I'm going to replace it with this new one. It's a dry rig system, so it should be fairly easy, inshallah. Let's do it now. Okay, so got the broken one out, replaced it with a new one. And boom, there you have it. Perfect. That's all done. Okay. This is what the chimney looks like from the top. And that's my new roof, mashallah. And that's it, it's all done.